I'm going to test it out. I'm going to have a look at it. I'm going to unbox it for you guys. When you open the box, it gives you kind of a quick start, easy to set up. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you guys what's inside. So take that off, take that. So obviously you've got your Coredy here, which actually looks really cool. It's pretty big as well, guys. Like, pretty big, which is a good thing. So obviously it's a Hoover. You also get, let's have a look at the inside. Oh, okay. So you get these brushes. I'm guessing these are to sweep up stuff and draw it all in. That's pretty cool. You get 4 of them. A dock, as Coredy needs to charge. Pretty cool. You also get a remote with Coredy as well with this one. So as well as basically setting it up and letting it go Hoover, you can genuinely control it yourself if you want to. I'm more of a type of guy to kind of just let it, you know, do its thing, but that is quite a cool feature. And then, get your little charger with it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it up, guys. Obviously, I've just attached these to there. It was so simple, you just go click, done like that. They give you 2 spare as well, so that's pretty cool. So they literally just click in there like that. Jobs are good in.